Hey everybody, Chris.Buystedt here at Guaranty RV in Junction City. I want to show you a trailer that's really exciting. It's the Coachmen Freedom Express Ultralight. It's a 204 RD rear dinette. People are asking me all the time, hey, what can I get that I can pull with a light truck or an SUV, something that would be lightweight, give me everything that I need to go camping for the next 20 years. Well, this is a great couples coach and I'm really excited to show it to you. Come on in, let's take a look. One of the things I wanted to point out to you about this trailer before we go in and take a look around is one of the reasons why it's really a fantastic trailer if you're going to own it for the next 20-25 years and pull it with a lighter truck or an SUV is that it's got a Lumicage construction. It's got a heated and underclosed underbelly so you can use it for seasons, and it also has Asdel on board, which is a composite panel on the inside. Great for insulation, impervious to moisture, mildew, and mold. I think you're going to really like the floor plan as well. Let's take a look. As I mentioned to you that this is rear dining. What I really like about that is when you go and you back up to a beautiful campsite, as this is backed up right now to this ditch out here, you can see the beautiful river, the creek, the mountains, everything as you're dining and out these big windows. You've got lots and lots of storage space in here. 4 different compartments for storage. And you even have a closet right here for all your coats, boots, everything that you would need when you walk in the door. Everything can go right in there. Lots of little cupboards, extra areas. The doors are hardwood, on sliders. They fasten in so they don't move when you're driving. You can see the TV, everything right from this main area right here. You've got a really fantastic kitchen, lots of cutting space. Underneath this breadboard, you've got a 3-burner cook stove. You've got the microwave and the oven. Nice big sink. Your fridge and freezer are right behind you, so everything is really close. You don't have to move around much when you're cooking. Check out that bathroom. Really neat bathroom. It's got plenty of room to do everything you need to do. I've got a beautiful skylight there. It's nice and tall. So if you're a taller person, even though you're in a little smaller lightweight coach, you're going to fit in here very good. And the one thing that people all the time are always asking for is a walk around queen bed. That's what you have here. You've got beautiful shades that pull down and they blacken, so if you need to get a nap and you're in a lot that's well lit and you need to sleep, that shade will help a lot. You have a lot of wardrobe space. Your overhead compartments, really beautiful lights. I wish it was plugged in. I'd show you how beautiful those are. You got lots of storage underneath the bed. And there's a place for a TV. You can pick a TV of your choice. You can have quite a big TV in this room. And I want you to get the view from the inside of the bedroom here to the rest of the coach. You can see there's a lot of space in here for just a short little 20-foot trailer. A ton of space. You'd be very happy in this, and you can pull it with a smaller truck or an SUV. This is a fantastic trailer. I think that you would be really impressed with it if you saw it in person. I'd love to show it to you or any of the trailers on our lot. My name is Chris.Buystedt. My number is 541-636-7878. Come give me a visit or give me a phone call, and we'll help make your dreams come true and check this off of your bucket list.